Hi, second graders. Mrs. Sugar again with our Grade 2 Skills, Unit 1, Lesson 9. We're continuing with our reading assessment, so you may have to read again. Okay, our goals for today: reading words with review letter sounds as well as tricky words, reading a text and answering questions in response to that text, and then reading compound words and drawing illustrations to match those words. Okay, if you're assigned the reading assessment, today it's called Sink or Float. Students will read the assigned text and answer multiple choice questions about the passage. This is an assessment and should be done independently, just as all the others. Okay, here's the first page of the story, the next page, and the questions you will answer will be found in a Google form for Unit 1, Lesson 9. Here are the questions that you're going to answer on that Google form, all 8 of them. Okay, the activities for today, page 9.3. If you don't have this page, you can simply complete it on a separate sheet of paper. You're going to read the paragraph at the top, a lot of small words with letter sounds you can easily figure out. After you read the story, you're going to draw a picture to match the story. Try to be as detailed as you can. When you're reading, pay attention to all the details and everything that's going on. There's a lot going on, and try to include all of that in your picture. The other page, 9.4, this is the compound words. Compound words are 2 words put together. For example, pancake. A pancake, we know, is a breakfast food. It's called a pancake because it can be made in a pan, and it's not really a cake, but it's kind of similar. Put it together, pancake. Just like toothbrush is a brush for your teeth, toothpaste, paste for your teeth. So on this page, they're giving you some kind of silly or nonsense words that are just silly words. Our first picture, what do you see there? There's an animal and an object. It's a bird inside of a cake. So what kind of compound word could we call a bird in a cake? How about a bird cake? Again, it's a nonsense word, so it's kind of silly. So this would be called a bird cake. If you would call this a bird cake, they gave us 2 words below, boot cake and fox cake. How would you illustrate a boot cake? How would you illustrate a fox cake? Well, that's your next assignment, is to illustrate a boot cake and a fox cake. Again, they are silly, but they're just to practice our compound words. Then on the back, or on a separate sheet of paper if you don't have this page, you're going to think of 3 more silly cakes that you could do. Remember, we have bird cake, fox cake, and boot cake. What other combination could you make for compound words? Once you have your word, then you're going to draw the picture, doing that 3 times. And when you're all done, that's it. Great work today. And remember, take your time, read carefully, and look for all the details.